Right now, drying out quite nicely. And a look at our low pressure system now, well off to our north. Taking a look at Sullivan, Liberty, 37, Monticello, 37 as well, Grahamsville at around 40 across the tri-state, mainly in the 40s. So we'll find that temperatures will be topping out in the upper 40s, low 50s. No more rain to speak of. I mean, there's always a chance of a spot shower, but I think for the most part we'll be dry. Just the winds are going to be picking up. That's going to be the main focus, along with the wind chills. Really struggling. We'll be in the 20s. That's a feel like temperatures later on tonight. Teens at times, especially north and west of the city, and then a rinse and repeat, teens and 20s for the next several days. We're done with all the precipitation. We have a nice dry stretch. This looks like it's coming into focus, but it will escape that because we'll have dry air, but not so dry as we head into next week. This is a system that we're going to be monitoring. Looks like it'll stay south of here early next week, but we have the snow chance there just in case. We'll keep you posted.